This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for banking exams. First, thoroughly understand the exam syllabus and pattern. This foundational step ensures you know exactly what to prepare for. Next, create a realistic and consistent study schedule. Dedicate specific times each day to different subjects, ensuring balanced preparation. Finally, gather all necessary study materials and resources, including textbooks, online courses, and practice papers. Now, let's dive into the core subjects. Focus intensely on quantitative aptitude, reasoning ability, and the English language, as these form the backbone of most banking exams. Practice daily with mock tests and previous year papers to familiarize yourself with question types and time constraints. Additionally, dedicate time to improving your general awareness and current affairs knowledge, which is crucial for the general awareness section. To truly optimize your learning, analyze your mock test results thoroughly to identify your weak areas. This targeted approach allows you to focus your efforts where they are most needed. Revise concepts regularly to reinforce your learning and ensure long-term retention. Remember, consistency is key. Also, maintain a healthy lifestyle with proper sleep and a balanced diet to keep your mind sharp and focused. As exam day approaches, remember to stay calm and confident. Trust in your preparation and avoid last-minute cramming. During the test, manage your time effectively, perhaps spending about 20 minutes per section, and don't dwell too long on any single question. And hey, while you're preparing for success, remember that life's too short for cheap socks. Check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.